welcome or welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get free trial on GearUp Booster in PC. So in order to do it, you first of all need to launch your web browser and search for GearUp Booster. Now once you search for it, you need to simply click on the first link, that would be the official website of GearUp Booster. Now over here you will see that you can try this for free, so you need to click on the get GearUp Booster and you need to download and install it on your device. Now once you have successfully installed it, you need to simply launch it and the interface of this app will look something like this. Now over here you will see this type of banner that would say refer and get free VIP. So once you click on it, you will see your GearUp referral code, which you need to copy from here and you need to share it with your friends or family members and ask them to join the GearUp Booster. So the more people you join to the VIP, the more benefits you are going to get, and eventually you are going to get the GearUp Booster absolutely for free for 84 days. You can see it over here. So you need to join their referral program and you need to give your referral code to the people and join them. This way you will be able to get GearUp Booster absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.